Turn your screen time into cash right now. People are making thousands from home, and you're probably missing out. Want the secrets to their success? Stick around, we're busting myths and revealing truths about making money fast with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, a buzzword you've probably heard 1,000 times, right? But here's the twist: despite what many may lead you to believe, it's not a magical doorway to instant wealth. In reality, affiliate marketing requires a blend of smart strategy, persistent effort, and a dash of patience. You might be thinking it's all about plastering links everywhere. Well, not quite. The core of successful affiliate marketing lies in understanding your audience. Imagine talking to a friend. You wouldn't recommend something you don't believe in, would you? It's all about finding products that truly resonate with your followers' needs and interests. Now, you may have seen those flashy success stories, folks lounging on beaches, seemingly earning money by doing very little. While it's true that affiliate marketing can offer financial freedom, there's a backstory of hard work and strategy that often goes untold. Crafting content that genuinely adds value, building trust with your audience, and staying up to date with market trends are just the tip of the iceberg. Think about it. Would you trust someone who recommends a product once and disappears? Consistency is key. Engaging with your audience, understanding their feedback, and adapting your strategies play a crucial role in turning affiliate marketing from a side hustle into a significant income source. But here's the million-dollar question: are you ready to invest the time and effort to understand the nuances of affiliate marketing and transform your approach from merely scattering links to building meaningful relationships with your audience? How do you plan to tackle the challenge and make your mark in the affiliate marketing world? Many aspire to make a fortune in affiliate marketing, picturing a life filled with easy profits and opulence. However, beneath the surface of these enticing success stories is often a narrative of hard work and strategic planning. Consider a person who embarked on their affiliate marketing journey fueled by a passion for a specific niche. The initial phase was more about learning from setbacks than reaping financial rewards. However, through dedication to creating genuine, engaging content and prioritizing the needs of their audience, this individual began to see their efforts pay off. Within a year, they had reached a point where they could leave their traditional employment behind and had earned the trust and respect of their niche community. Or take the example of an individual who ran a channel specializing in tech reviews, which initially struggled to attract attention. By concentrating on thorough, impartial reviews and actively soliciting feedback from their audience, this person was able to distinguish themselves within their domain. Success didn't come overnight, but through persistence and dedication, their channel experienced a significant boost in both viewer engagement and revenue. These narratives highlight an essential truth. Rapid success in this field is uncommon, but consistent, thoughtful efforts can indeed lead to significant accomplishments. It revolves around playing the long game, building trust, and offering real value rather than merely distributing promotional links and hoping for immediate results. Now, imagine what could happen if you applied the same level of dedication and strategy to your affiliate marketing endeavors. Curious about how to tailor your affiliate marketing strategy to better engage your audience and see substantial growth? What aspects of your approach could use a refresh to ensure your own success story? Building a solid foundation in affiliate marketing is akin to constructing a skyscraper. The stronger your foundation, the higher and more resilient your structure will be. This begins with choosing the right niche, a critical step often overlooked in the rush to make quick money. Your niche should not only spark your passion, but also have a healthy demand. Imagine fishing in a pond teeming with fish. That's what picking the right niche can do for your affiliate marketing efforts. Next up, creating valuable content isn't just about stringing words together. It's about solving problems, answering questions, and adding value to your audience's life in a way no one else does. Think of yourself as a trusted advisor where your content seamlessly blends with the needs and wants of your audience. This approach not only cultivates loyalty, but also elevates your status as an authority figure in your niche. Understanding your audience goes beyond demographics. It's about getting into their minds, understanding their challenges, fears, aspirations, and what keeps them up at night. This insight allows you to tailor your content, making it resonate on a deeper level and fostering a connection that goes beyond the superficial. It's like knowing a friend so well, you can recommend exactly what they need before they even ask. Have you thought about how these elements can transform your affiliate marketing strategy? What steps will you take today to lay down a solid foundation for your affiliate empire? Share your thoughts or questions below, and remember, the strength of your foundation determines the height of your success. In the world of affiliate marketing, patience and persistence aren't just virtues, they're the engines that drive success. Imagine planting a seed. You water it, ensure it has enough sunlight, and gradually it begins to sprout. Affiliate marketing operates on a similar principle. You might not see the fruits of your efforts immediately, but with consistent care, growth is inevitable. Now you're probably wondering, why patience? Well, think about it. Building trust with your audience doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to establish yourself as a trusted advisor, and even more time for your content to rank on search engines. But once you've crossed these hurdles, the rewards can be substantial. And what about persistence? Persistence is the force that keeps you going when results seem invisible. It's easy to get discouraged when clicks aren't turning into commissions, but remember, success in affiliate marketing is often just around the corner. Every piece of content you create, every SEO strategy you employ, and every network you build contributes to a foundation that will support your affiliate empire for years to come. Embed patience and persistence into your strategy and watch as your affiliate marketing efforts transform from mere drops in the ocean to waves making significant impact. Now, I'm curious, have you faced moments in your affiliate marketing journey where patience and persistence were tested? How did you tackle them? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the vast ocean of affiliate marketing, knowing how to swim against the current is key. But here's a secret not many talk about: your lifeline isn't just about swimming harder, it's about swimming smarter. High-quality content acts as your boat in these waters. Imagine creating content so captivating that your audience can't help but come back for more. That's the foundation of a loyal following. It's not just about selling. It's about sharing knowledge, solving problems, and genuinely helping your audience. This approach not only establishes trust, but also sets you apart as an authority in your niche. Next up, we've got SEO, or as I like to call it, the compass that guides your content to where it needs to go. In the maze of the internet, SEO ensures your content finds its way to the right eyes. Simple tweaks like using the right keywords, optimizing your images, and enhancing site speed can dramatically increase your visibility. But here's the clincher: building a loyal audience. This isn't something that happens overnight. It's about consistently delivering value, engaging with your followers, and being authentic. Remember, people connect with people, not just content. Creating a community where your audience feels heard and valued is what transforms casual visitors into loyal followers. Now think about your own favorite brands or creators. What made you stick around? Chances are it's a mix of valuable content, discoverability, and a sense of community. These elements don't just contribute to success in affiliate marketing, they define it. What strategy are you most excited about implementing in your affiliate marketing efforts? Share your thoughts and let's learn from each other. In a world that's constantly evolving, the only way to maintain your edge is through continuous learning and adapting to changes in the market and technology. Think of it like surfing. To catch the best waves, you've got to know the water, the weather, and most importantly, you need to know how to pivot your board at just the right moment. In the same vein, markets and technology never stand still. They're dynamic, shifting with consumer preferences, technological breakthroughs, and even global events. Staying updated with these changes is not just about keeping your head above water. It's about riding the wave to success. With every new piece of technology, there's an opportunity to innovate, to improve processes, and to offer something new to your clients or audience. And in understanding market trends, you can anticipate needs, making your offer not just a product, but a timely solution to a problem. Consider this industries today are unrecognizable from their counterparts a decade ago, all thanks to the rapid pace of technological advancements. Those who have thrived are the ones who embrace the learning curve, who made it their mission to always be inquisitive, to experiment, and to adapt. But here's a thought to ponder. How are you ensuring that you're not left behind? Are you committed to continuous learning and adapting to these never-ending changes?